Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a Treat Friday project. For those of you who don't know, I have 4 sons, and on a Friday we have what we call Treat Friday. It's a day when I give them little sweeties or comics, or we might have takeaway, fish and chips or something like that, but it's a treat on a Friday, and it kind of means that they don't ask me for snacks and sweets and treats and all that sort of stuff the rest of the week. Doesn't mean I'm not going to give them. If I've got them, I might share them, but a Friday is a special day for them. So I've gone with this paper and this stamp set. It's the A Good Day stamp set. I love it, and it says a little treat for someone sweet, because my 4 boys are gorgeous, and inside I will be putting sweeties and things, and they love a rummage box. I mean, my eldest son, he's almost 15, my other boys are 12 and a half, 9 and a half, and Oliver is 7 very, very, very soon. And you know what, no matter how old they are, they love a treat. They will come, they'll come wandering into my office to see what I've got for them. But you can fit loads of treats and goodies in there. I'm going to show you how to make it. Now, this is a paper version. You can make a cardstock one, but I like the Painted with Love, and I love my sons. Of course I do. So I wanted to do Painted with Love for them. Okay. Paper measures 8 by 5.5 inches, 20 by 14 centimetres, and on the long side, score it at 1.5, 3 3/4, 5 1/4. And get the glue off your fingernail, 7.5 inches, which in metric is 4, 9.5, 13.5 and 19. And then turn it round and score it at 1.5, 3.5 and 5, but we're going to turn it over to do that. Score on the back, and that's to get this lip here. And so in metric it's 4, 9, turn it over, score it at 13. And yeah, I've got glue on my fingernail and black cardstock, which is random because I haven't done anything with black cardstock in a while. Okay, right, so burnish, fold and burnish your score lines. And this is the one that goes in the opposite direction. Keep burnishing around. So it's a kind of a milk carton. It's sort of a rectangular kind of milk carton. It's rather lovely. I like the shape. I do, don't get me wrong, I love a milk carton. I make lots of them, but I like to make the shapes different. I don't like them necessarily to be completely square. So this one finishes up at 2 1/4 by 1.5 inches. So that's going to be 4 by, I don't know. No idea. I'm looking at my measurements going, I have no idea. 5 centimetres? Something like that. I'm looking at my measurements trying to work out what they would be. I can't remember. Okay, so bits to trim away. I'm working out which side you can see. So we've got a thin bit at the top and a thin down the side. So this rectangle here, I need to get rid of that. And then just cut straight up the other lines. Okay, I'm going to have to measure that. That's going to annoy me until I know what it would be in metric. So it's 4 centimetres there, so 5 centimetres, there we go, it's 4 by 5. There are some days when my brain is not connected. Oh dear. Okay, so glue along that tab and then just fold it over. So that has now become the back. So put the 2 sides in and the back. If you've got some heavy treats and sweets in there, put glue on the inside of that part too and glue it down. Marshmallows wouldn't weigh very much. My boys love marshmallows. They would have hot chocolate just to have the marshmallows. Okay. And then pinch in this part, and because we've put this score line here, it actually won't go down any further. It will stop at that point. Now, I've got ribbon on mine, but I'm just going to grab a couple of these just to keep it shut while I get the ribbon closed around it. And I've got my lovely gold trim. I finished off an end of a roll there, so I've got a curl on that bit. Let's hope I don't get the same again. because I'm now on the start of a roll on this one. Okay. Oh, I'm using all the wrong fingers here to hold this knot in place. I don't even know if it's on camera anymore. I'm resting it up against my tummy. Let's try that again. My tummy is my extra hand. I know I'm not alone in this. Oh, I can't get hold of it. There we go. Okay. Oh, practically got a sweat on my brow there. Oh, for goodness sake, look, it's... Oh no, it's not too bad. That's okay. Could have been worse. Right, maybe I'll just tie them with clips next time. Okay, so my stamping. Now, I really don't know how well you can see, but I've got a little bit of a glittery bit going on there. So, let's find some scraps of what's the right. There we go. So I've got the gorgeous A Good Day stamp set, and obviously because it's a treat for the boys, that's what I'm going to go for. So I'm going to go with that one. But I want this lovely little scallopy edge here, which is from that one. And then when I want the ice cream one. Okay, so what colour shall I use? I haven't got mine. I'm going to go with Rich Razzleberry for the outer. And I'm going to go with Berry Burst for the inner, and hope that you can see a little better. Oh, I've just clicked that off. Oops. There we go. And what you need is you need your Wink of Stella. I might put this on autofocus. Somebody remind me to zoom back out again. And, oh, too far. There we go. And because the this is, you know, a water-based ink, when you move it around, the colour moves. So can you see it's changing colour? Even with the Wink of Stella, which typically is a brand new one, the colour is moving. Oh, that's just too close. The colour has moved about. Very clever. Love this technique. Okay, let's zoom back out again. See, I remembered this time. Okay, so 1 3/8 of an inch scallop circle for the outer part. Just because would have worked well as well, but why can't I get that lined up? There we go. And then 1 inch circle on that one. That Wink of Stella is brand new, so it's very slightly damp still. So I'm just going to leave that for a second. Dimensional on the back of here. You get that in position, and then while that's drying, I can get my metallic enamel shapes, and I put stars on the first one. I'm going to put hearts on them this time. Hearts for my boys. There. And then I hope that's dry. What I might do is do it this way round. There we go. Treat Friday. Little rectangular milk cartons. Love them. Hope my boys do too. You know they're going to fight over the gold one, aren't they? Anyway, let's make some more. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.